social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Welcome to UK Primetime Affiliate Marketing 3.0. Really appreciate you being here because today is the day that Savez comes and trains us. The wonderful thing about this training is that it is coming from the CEO himself. So please, I know that when I took notes, when I was in a good training, I usually take notes. So get out your pen and get out your notebooks so that you may take some notes and jot down some questions. And also, this is affiliate marketing. So make sure that all those that you're affiliated with that are here. So give them a call, let them know that we have got started. And please help me to welcome our innovator, the person who delivers us the products and projects that are so promising. Savez, your floor is yours. Thank you for being here. Just probably finishing up a phone call.
$100 million merchants and cutting-edge security backed by blockchain technology.
All right. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody is doing good. Great times, exciting things are happening, and every single day, like I say always, in 2025, first month went in huge progress, and we have entered into the second month, which is 7 days down, and which is still in the progress. Every single day we are what I'm seeing in the structures is 1,000 new people in WAAS and thousands of new people in LquidPay, which is really promising to me, because I know how it works. I have seen it from last almost 2 years with you guys, how it works. And I think the way that we have imagined, in 3 months, we are going to see another million users in WAAS, which is the most promising thing for me in this year. And that is what uh, I am striving for. And I believe as leaders, as uh, promoters, as flag bearers of WAAS, you all have the same mindset. And how do we achieve that? How are we going to see that? And how you all can facilitate that? It's very simple. You just have to tell people what we are doing. As simple as that. Well, it is very simple. It is, uh, I remember Boomerang days when we launched Boomerang, and there was the only challenge which was there in the product was scalability. And if you guys remember, uh, we had hard time as a tech team, to build and deploy Boomerang. And from that time onwards, uh, what I decided was to do first analysis over the product idea that it should be scalable. If it is entering into affiliate marketing, it should be scalable. Affiliate marketing cannot have or cannot afford to have a product that is not scalable. And that's where it started to go with scale. And I believe that was the breakthrough. From that time onwards, we have all the products which are super scalable. So there is room in our ecosystem to accommodate not just millions now, but billions of people, because what we are serving uh, as a technology provider, what we are providing as a company, as an organization, is a utility that everybody needs. Everybody who holds crypto needs a LquidPay card. This is the need of the market. So what's your job? How you will achieve the desirable uh, amount of money, people, I don't know what your, I mean, people who are sitting here to 236, what's your wildest desire is. Uh, Mine is getting real. Uh, I know this. So this is the time which is not going to come back. This is all I know. 28th of Feb, a product that is going to cover the whole spending ecosystem. I was discussing, I had few meetings yesterday, day before yesterday, with few people here in Dubai. And when I introduced about LquidPay, and then there was a comparison which was done about about self-custodian wallets and the wallets where the custody is with the custodian. So there's a huge difference. There's a huge technology gap which is there in the existing companies which is offering the card. So you guys should have a simple pitch. Uh, One simple pitch: self-custodian wallet, globally accessible, and uh, I got a chance to compare as well with existing cards. And I'm not going to, I mean, I cannot officially sit and compare. But what you guys can do, you guys can go on internet and you guys can fetch different fee structures of different cards which are available in the industry, and you can start comparing. Even you guys can, if you have YouTube channels, you can record videos comparing various brands with LquidPay, and that would be another level of validation, I would say, as well as that would create room for organic market. People who are uh, just one moment. Okay, I'm sorry. So it is very simple. So uh, I want to encourage every one of you to start even comparing. That's how you will understand the merits. Sometimes it is like this. When we all are working together for a long time, and the value and the worth and the uh, I'm not saying you guys don't realize the value and the worth of the product, but when you compare, you understand more. So I want to encourage everyone to start even comparing LquidPay with other existing brands which are offering the spending. And that will open your eyes really wide. I mean, for rest of other products, there is not even uh, you know any comparison. I mean, you cannot compare DoDo with anything. The way we have built, developed, deployed DoDo, and the way it is ready right now, gas free. Today we tested Aerodrome on base. So along with Uniswap, so little problems were there with Uniswap because of liquidity. That's why the swap buy sell were not smooth on base. So we integrated two dexes, Aerodrome as well as Uniswap. So it will become as smooth as Ethereum without gas fee on base. So Dodo, you have no comparison. LquidPay, you can compare. You can still compare because the method is same. So start comparing. That will open your eyes more, and that will establish more conviction in your hearts about what you are promoting is the best. Set aside things which we are going to do in future, in coming months and weeks. That is another thing. That the build which you have in your hand can be compared and is the best version of itself. If I'm saying this with confidence, that means I have done my homework. LquidPay is offering the cheapest crypto to fiat transactions. I did all the comparison myself, and then I realized uh, it is not just technology-wise advanced, but also we are affordable, as well as at the same time the features that we are going to introduce. Uh, so I would start from off-ramping, and then I'm kind of repeating what I said on Wednesday because it was not. I think it is required for you guys to understand it one more time to have better clarity, because sometimes it is not easy for me. I know it is very simple narration that I just gave on Wednesday, but for you guys to understand how the product is built, it is difficult. It is not something which is 1, 2, 3, right? So let me reiterate, and then I will move on to the other things. So this whole synergy of self-custodian wallet with the ability to off-ramp crypto. We will start with Vietnam and India first. So INR and Vietnamese dong will be off-ramped using LquidPay app. What is the significance of off-ramping? Where LquidPay is going to go with off-ramping? So let me tell you, when you are able to off-ramp crypto using our app, and then at the same time, we are going to provide you IBAN numbers, international bank account numbers, inside LquidPay from our ecosystem, then you are able to off-ramp your own crypto in your own bank account using LquidPay. That means we have end-to-end banking ecosystem. From that day onwards, we will be able to call ourselves a neobank at LquidPay. So when LquidPay becomes a neobank, that means it should offer, I'm going to tell really interesting facts about neobanks today. So when we call ourselves a neobank, then we can offer loans, lending and borrowing. That's what the feature of banks are, right? So let's say you have Bitcoins and you don't want to sell them. In the crypto ecosystem, this is how lending and borrowing works. You have to put your assets and then you borrow against your collateral that you have staked, that you have given. So similar thing will happen inside LquidPay, where you can put your crypto and you can borrow. On your crypto that you have put, against that crypto, you pay, you get first some rewards and that are deducted from your interest that you pay against the loan, and you receive cash, you return cash and take your Bitcoins or any assets back. That is where I have understood BTCC ecosystem is going to get a not like a how do you call that? So the confluence of BTC20 Smart Chain and liquid finance can happen at that point of time. When we are already a neobank, then let alone BTC20 Smart Chain assets, let alone other assets which are there, all other EVM assets, Bitcoin, uh, everything can be lended and borrowed using our own lending and borrowing protocol. That's what the functionality of banks is. Establishing narrative of bank, we are doing not for the sake of offering services of a bank, but there is a reason behind uh, establishing LquidPay as a new bank. It is very simple. We are going at Liquid Finance. We are going to we are already developing a layer 1 solution for just payments. So Liquid Finance layer 1 solution is going to provide all the banking ecosystem to LquidPay with its layer 1 blockchain. So there will be two things in the market. One thing that everybody needs to process, every player in the industry needs to process their payments using some payment solution that is futuristic, because future of banking is in blockchain. So either they need to develop their own payment solutions over blockchain, or they can come to us at Liquid Finance. So Liquid Finance is going to cater neobanks like LquidPay from the market. And that's where I see billions of users using our technology, using our platform to transact in their day-to-day lives. I know this industry is not very big. If we go and check, the whole industry experiences around, 24 hours was $132 billion of transactions. It is not yet big. If we talk about traditional finance, if we talk about stock markets, Eunice, do you have any idea how much in volume just US stock market uh, experiences, like trading volume of 24-hour?
Well, the stock market, I don't know. I know forex trading is around, I don't know, talking about $6 trillion, something like that. But in the stock market, I don't have no idea, but they have to be probably, I don't know, $4 trillion market. I don't know, movement every
Every day,
24 hours.
every 24 hours, right? So,
Mhm.
so imagine we are still early in this industry, and what we are doing is something which is going to provide the whole ecosystem to facilitate the the volume of transactions which is in billions to be in trillions. How cryptocurrencies, how blockchain technology is going to cater billions of dollars of trillions of dollars of transactions every day because of this, with solutions like layer one solutions like liquid finance, just like Ethereum, which has provided all the tools, all the launchpad ecosystem where developers, projects can come and deploy their blockchains, deploy their projects on Ethereum and can function easily. Similarly, we are going to provide the ecosystem layer one solution for payments. So more neobanks are going to arrive, are going to emerge in the market. We will facilitate their payment processing. Existing neobanks which are going to move and evolve from their traditional technology to futuristic technology, we are going to provide them solution for their payment processing. So what we have established here is nothing, uh, it's not going to be limited. It is always going to expand. And all these services which we are going to offer B2C, from our business to customer, everything is going to go through the affiliate model. Be it off-ramping, be it additional banking services, bank accounts, everything. So if you sign up one person in this whole month of free pilot card, they will buy the card. One, the business has come under you. Once they have bought the card, they will definitely use different other services. More business is going to come. So even with one person you sign up, you are going to make money. because this is something which is not supposed to be pushed. This is something which is the need of every crypto user. All right. I believe this whole revision is going to put the pitch back in your minds, and you will be able to understand at a better length. Okay, so next, I don't have a lot of updates tonight, and I could not even summarize the Dodo development because still work is going on Aerodrome. Uh, we are implementing Aerodrome ecosystem in Dodo. Uh, Aerodrome is also a decentralized exchange, just like Uniswap. More liquidity is there on Aerodrome. I will show you guys. Wait. Okay. So on base ecosystem, let me open. Oh, this is it. So if we go on exchanges and we check the dexes for base ecosystem, we see Aerodrome, which has around $600 million, 600, yeah, $92 million of volume, 24 hours on base. And then there is Uniswap V3. So we were deployed totally on Uniswap because our Ethereum based implementation was just on Uniswap. On Ethereum, there is huge liquidity on Uniswap. So now we are going on Aerodrome as well, so that you don't face any challenge of selling, buying particular indices. And I think this is required. We'll be able to see more indices created. From tomorrow onwards, base ecosystem is going to, you will observe new indices will be deployed on base. And also, for you to create more indices, you guys can start going to Aerodrome and check the token liquidity and prepare your indices already, so that once we deploy Aerodrome, you start creating your own indices. There are really good hot tokens on Aerodrome which are doing really good in the market, and I don't want you guys to miss out because Dodo is gas free on base. Every penny you make is a profit. Every single percentage that goes above your buying limit is a profit. So I'm going to drop a link to Aerodrome where you can check the liquidity in the chat. Try to do some research. People who want to create indices, they can start selecting their tokens. They can start finding out what is suitable. Yes, Eunice, you want to say something?
Yes, Chavez, talking about creating a index. Um, I'm in the middle right now to create an index on base, but in the case I can find the token,
Yes, yes.
let's say at FINA, for example,
Uh-huh.
this only allow in base, you know, but when you go and try to add it FINA, they say, oh, send you the
the smart contract on Ethereum and all those things. How does it work in that way?
Okay, I'll tell you. So here, if you go, this is base. So if your token is not here, right, in this list, right now you
Yes.
have these on base, because we are now removing from Uniswap, and now we are adding tokens which have liquidity on both Aerodrome and Uniswap. So we are adding more tokens. We are whitelisting already more tokens. So if you want to add, let's say, each FINA, then you can submit a request. So here you have to take token name, token ticker, contract address, blockchain, here Ethereum. Okay, this we need to give base. I will ask team. Then you have to select category. Here you have to select CoinMarketCap link. Yeah, if it is not listed on CoinMarketCap yet, you will find. So every detail I think is on Dex Screener. If you go and write ETHF, right?
The second one, Chavez.
No, this is not the one. ETHFINA, right? So you will get here all the details here.
Yeah, contract.
Contract. I think, yes. Pool also. Okay, so whatever details you receive here, you enter. Rest of the details team will manage.
And another question: if for any reason the FINA only have a pool in Uniswap but not in the new pool, they will still allowed to add it
Yes,
in
definitely.
Aerodrome?
Yes, so wait till tomorrow for my response, because once we integrate Aerodrome, we need to check whether Uniswap and Aerodrome can simultaneously work or not. If yes, then it is very simple. And even if it is not on Aerodrome, ETHF still can be added, I believe, because it's just the token on chain. If if there is no liquidity on Aerodrome, I will ask them to create a pool on Aerodrome as well. Why are they not getting listed? I will push them to get listed.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chavez.
All right, perfect. So this is how, all right, coming back to it. So from Aerodrome ecosystem, start comparing, start taking out the tokens which you want to create index with. Study the behavior, uh, take stats from last 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, 1 week. Understand the behavior, if it is experiencing volatility of 1 to 2% a day, that is your token which needs to get into the index. You just need a spread of 1 to 2% every day, right? If you want to buy and sell every day, you need such tokens which have good volatility and has enough liquidity. Parameter is at least $1 million liquidity on a DEX. We don't care about market cap. We don't care about how token has performed recently, because it is the market which is not in the good shape right now. So we just pay attention to the liquidity right now. So $1 million is the basis on which we decide the index, or sorry, asset that can be whitelisted on DoDo to be created to be included in an index. So existing assets which are in DoDo on base, you guys can check, try, look at their stats, be prepared. Uh, once I announce, start creating indexes. And I think that is the best way to generate, uh, daily profits without having professional trading uh, expertise. So that is why we brought Dodo. That is the whole purpose of this product. So can't wait for you all to start trading uh, on a daily basis on Dodo. Yes, Eunice.
Chavez, we saw in the previous version, I would say the MVP of Dodo and Ethereum, we have two uh, things we can sell the index or we can withdraw the index. I saw in base we only have sell, but the withdraw button will be added to the base too.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? It is just the stability which was not there, and once every asset, because all these assets, they were having more than $1 million liquidity, but when we added and when the market crashed, it kind of all
Mm,
uh,
understand.
disturbed. And still, all these assets have liquidity, but there's a problem of swapping. When you swap, there is, it gives you a message also that slippage is higher than what is expected. And we cannot allow as a tool for the user to bear such slippage, because most of the profit would go into paying the slippage. So yes, we have built the tool likewise, but let us integrate Aerodrome, and that would give smooth experience, because there the volume is more, there the liquidity is more, there people are trading more than $600 million every day. That is not big, but yes, that is somewhere where we can get into. I mean, even if we have a million user trading with us, it can all suffice. And then base ecosystem is going to flourish because of us, and base then will be ready to offer us a grant for Dodo, that hey, you guys are producing great trading volume on our blockchain, and just take $1 million, here is a grant to develop more. They may offer a liquidity pool to us for margin. Similar liquidity pool we have organized, they can be a liquidity provider in that. This is how the industry works. This is how good products, they are promoted by the ecosystem as well. So we are expecting huge collaboration with Base as well, with Dodo. I have given, uh, you know, just insights over that. And we are very closely working with Base. So yes, it is also a good uh, approach through which product, uh, when products are promoted and given grants by these ecosystems, I believe there is a traction that comes from the existing ecosystem as well. So if Base uh, gives a push to Dodo, all the traders who are trading on Aerodrome and Uniswap using Base are going to land on Dodo as well. So that's a bigger picture of getting organic traction to the product. And if the product is successful, everything is good, right? So what I see now is huge exposure of our products in both the worlds, in the affiliate marketing world as well as in the organic crypto industry. That is the, I think that is uh, the most, strongest, that is the most strongest uh, aspect of our ecosystem right now. And let alone, Boomerang 2.0, when it comes, you guys are going to experience something really, really incredible and different. And it is scalable. It is super scalable. So today I have decided that it's Friday, and let me give you guys a little overview of Boomerang 2.0. That is what is special about today's Zoom. Okay.
Woohoo!
All right. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Everybody.
We are all ready.
Perfect. Perfect.
Let's do it, man.
So keep on promoting LquidPay right now before before Boomerang 2.0 comes. I'm not going to tell anything about Boomerang 2.0. Okay, I can tell few things. It is going to be only and only available for WAAS users. It is not going to be open for everyone to use. And it is super scalable. You want to onboard millions of users? Do it on the day one without any challenges. The whole infrastructure of Boomerang 2.0 is not like other tools which are also under development and are functional. It is a product which has to be ready completely on the day one to function. So it is a ready working product on the day one when you will test. And it is going to be exclusive for our community. There is a reason why it is not a decentralized tool. So that is why uh, we can keep it confined to our community only. So yes, Boomerang 2.0 is not a decentralized tool. Okay, this is one thing that I told. It is not going to be available for everyone, but yes, uh, initially all the WAS members who are members who have accounts on WAS can get into Boomerang 2.0 and start trading for free. So start signing up, people. Uh, I want to see more signups because the more accounts we have on WAS, the more people can try and test Boomerang from day one. So people who were with us from before, people who want to join this interesting particular product, then they can start now. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys today about Boomerang 2.0. We have tested the product, and we are testing every single day. From last 26 days, we have been consistently making profits. And the biggest USP of the product is it gives you profit every day. It settles profit to you every day. We have two major collaborations, not two, but many, but two are notably biggest crypto ecosystems on this planet, which are helping Boomerang 2.0 to function. The biggest name in the crypto you imagine, you have in your mind, we are partners with them. So it is it is already a big tool which is going to come in the market and be on in news everywhere from the day one. So yes, this is it. Rest, I'm not going to tell nothing about Boomerang 2.0. Wait until it is launched, and on the day of launch, you will be able to log in and start using Boomerang 2.0 using your WAAS accounts. So the tool will allow you to log in directly using your WAAS username and password uh, inside the product. Now we have evolved as a technology company uh, to even leave the dependency of whitelisting the users. So now we have developed such APIs where new products will be directly linked with your WAS back office. So in the product, you will go and log in. If you have subscription, you will see your subscription active and you will get the access to the product. If you don't have the subscription, you get the access to the product, but you will not be able to use the product because you don't have subscription. So all the dependency of whitelisting we have left. So now we are, as I always say, as a tech team, when we develop a product and then we develop another one, the next one is better. In terms of, user experience, it is better. Technology may be different, the idea may be different, the whole underlying wireframe may be different, but the user experience becomes better and better. Look at LquidPay. Uh, I mean, I don't know if you guys have used any of the mobile applications that I have developed. Uh, I think you guys may have. Many of you may. I'll not name it, but most of the iPhone users use one of the apps that I have developed. Uh, but yes, this is see. Look at LiquidPay, how smooth it is, and it is just the basic version of the app. Now all the three cards will come. You will have off ramping. Then all the features will be there. We are going to integrate tap and pay inside the app. There will be no dependency on Google Pay and Apple Pay for Liquid Pay. So you go to the POS stores, you tap with the app directly. You don't pay fee to Apple Pay and Google Pay. Google Pay and Apple Pay, they also charge fee. So the fee that you pay for transaction, everything is included in that. So we are going to reduce the fee with time as well because we have to stay ahead always from our competitors. And we have to do something that they're, which they did not even think about doing it. So yes, uh, so this is about Boomerang 2.0, Liquid Pay, DoDo. Uh, I don't know. Yes, that is it for tonight. Keep promoting Liquid Pay. Here is your time. It will not come back. 28th of Feb. As many as people use, you can sign up, do it. Uh, I don't think so. I don't think you and I, all of us, are going to get this kind of chance again in the crypto because after this bull run, this industry is going to scale up a lot. So if we really want to build our foundation, we need to work hard, and I'm already doing that. I just need you guys to, you know, uh, put little more efforts. That's it. It will secure your future. I'm not talking about finances. I'm not talking about money. This is the technology on which the world is going to work. And if you know the technology, you will live at ease. As simple as that. When the whole banking switched onto internet, many people financially died. Many big companies, corporations, which were working with traditional methods of finance, they died. Steam engines died when diesel engines came, right? So you have to decide. This is the new way of transactions. This is the new way of managing finance. This is the new way of experiencing utilities. This is the future. So 20th of Feb. Do remember that. All right. Thank you. Back to you, Grace.
Thank you, Savez. That's really amazing. Now, I know that you don't want to tell us who the collaborators are, but does one start with S?
No. Come on. Yeah, you know.
Just kind of trying to guess. Maybe B?
Maybe.
Okay. But thank you so much, Savez. That is great training as usual, and up mixed with update and everything. Eunice, thank you for your questions. Lucky had a really big smile when we were talking about Boomerang 2.0. So I know that it is something really, really amazing, really wonderful. And maybe she wants to go ahead and say something.
I always have a big smile, Grace. So it wasn't for that. But thank you for a great update. Chavez, you gave us a little teaser about Boomerang 2.0. Now everyone's going to be wondering. But as you said, right now, focus has to be on LquidPay. And then we can move on to our next product, right? So yeah, thank you.
Definitely. And one more allocation on Capital 3.0 is coming soon. So be ready any day, anytime. We will deduct your tokens again and we'll give you a bunch of tokens. So yes.
One question, Chavez. Did you see the recording from me and Eunice yesterday?
No, I could not.
That was amazing how Eunice explained DoDo.
I guess he loves DoDo.
And for everybody, if you didn't see the recording, go to the YouTube channel. Look at the recording from yesterday's presentation.
I will check. I will check tonight. I was literally having, terrible pain, and still there. It's still there. I think today it will go, hopefully.
Hope so. Feel better, Chavez. Thank you so much for coming on. And that is what you call courage and bravery, and great leadership is above all very selfless. And so we are very appreciative, not only the hard work that you're doing, but your selfless leadership. And we'll go ahead and thank the Batman and Robin, or a combination of Eunice and David. Thank you for your presentation. And Lucky, thank you for always a very lovely smile, lovely big smile. And